I know this video gonna get me in trouble, so you guys are in for a treat. But I know it will impact a lot of families out there. Hello everyone. This is a real video based on real examples and it's very concerning. It's gonna be full of facts and I'm gonna give examples towards the end. If you are in the market right now of buying a life insurance for yourself and your family for any reason, okay, and you accepting an offer or looking or shopping around for a good deal, and you come across one of the companies or some of the companies out there or agents that just go all about the name of the company, you're in for a treat. Okay, first I'm gonna give basic general examples, then I'm gonna end with exact example, life example from cases that came to my office that really disturbed me. There's companies out there, an agent that represent specific companies out there that they represent the name of the company. They only talk about the company strength, company history, ranking, and you end up getting a very expensive policy with limited benefits, and at the same time, if there is any room for cash accumulation in there, the future is very poor. Versus, you can always shop around, look into different companies, basically some of them way bigger than those companies are actually limited in their resources. Some of them hundreds of years in the business and top ranked globally. Okay, I'll give some examples toward the end of the video. Those people usually, or the agents that represent those companies, they're not gonna lead by the company name. They will actually look at you first, ask you a few questions, understand what you need and your circumstances, and based on that, they will look around, search around, match you with a top rated life insurance company, and you end up with a very, very, very well priced life insurance policy, loaded with benefits included, and if there is a cash accumulation room inside this policy, many cases I came across, it's double the cash accumulation with the overpriced, compared with the overpriced other policies. Okay, now life example. I know this video gonna get me in trouble, so you guys are in for a treat. But I know it will impact a lot of families out there. One of the companies that I come across lately a lot is a company called New York Life. A very strong company, very high rated, one of the top carriers in the US. Okay, I have a lot of respect for them. They have a strong sales team out there. Okay, the case came to my office among a lot of cases to compare cost of the proposals. Okay, the example was 38-year-old male, average health, non-smoker. Okay, the gentleman was asking for a couple policies. Number one, $1 million of term life insurance. He was advised by New York Life that the maximum term he can get is 20 years term. The price for that was approximately $116 a month. Very fair. The policy didn't have much benefit in there. He came to me, same guy, thought, okay, let me see what's out there. Got him a comparable. I really had to downgrade my work to actually compare a policy to this one, but I got 20-year term with AIG, now named Corebridge, A-rated carrier, been in the business for hundreds of years, loaded with benefits, $1 million, 20 years term for $96 on some change. Substantially less cost. Now, John, it's not that much of a cost. Now, the AIG was loaded with benefits. Now, to make it better, the AIG actually offered a longer term. This gentleman can get up to 35 years of coverage, not only 20 as a max. The same gentleman wanted to add cash, get policies that actually give them an opportunity to save and add cash. Same policy, different product with New York Life. He was loading some money into this policy, so the potential of putting $2,000 a month into the policy that builds cash generated for him in the future approximately $66,000 20 years down the line. Good, right? Actually, he was sold on it because it seemed like a very attractive number. Other side of the story, shopped around, designed something for him, was a top-rated carrier globally, Allianz. Okay, he was able to project for him up to 166,000 a year of potential distribution. 66 versus 166. Okay, don't quote me for the numbers. Everybody's situation is different. Maybe there's some cases in New York Life where stand out. Okay, I didn't come across those cases, but maybe they have an argument. But please, if you are in the market shopping for life insurance and taking advantage of something for yourself, your family, and your future, slow down. Don't get sold on the company name. There's a lot of companies out there. There's over 700 life insurance companies that operates in the US. Over than 700. Majority of those more than 100 years in the business. Slow down, take a breath, get what offer you have, give us a call or give somebody that's non-captive a call. Learn about your options. Slow down. Big companies usually come with big costs, especially if they are captive companies. Independent companies, independent agents shop around for you and get you the best. Give us a call.